Okay. Here we go. Okay, does this work? I think that's better. Yeah. Okay. Now let's ping everyone. All right. Time for some coding. We love coding. All right. Looks like no one's in here yet. Hello. Good evening. Today we're going to fix the You catch a stream while you're at work? What do you mean? It is indeed 6 p.m. in America. It is 6 p.m. for me. Today we're refining the double jump enchantment just a bit. And if it's easy enough, we're going to make sure that it detects whether or not you have the enchantment on, because believe it or not, it doesn't do that. It kind of just lets you double jump right now. So we need to make sure it only lets you double jump if you have the enchantment. Now, in the previous stream, I made it have a delay, but I'm starting to think that this is the wrong way of going about it. The reason for the delay is that you don't want to double jump while you're in the middle of going upwards from your jump, right? You want to get the maximum amount of jumping. So what I'm probably going to do is public static integer, and then this will equal p.player. Actually, set it to Minecraft dot get instance dot player dot. Oh, why doesn't it like this? What does it mean? What if we just got rid of that? What does that mean? Oh, you're so right. You're so right. Why didn't I think of that? Okay, public int start y. We'll call it start y. Dot get I don't think I want block y. I want, yeah, just y. Why doesn't it like that? Oh, that's because I made it an integer. Okay, double. Perfect. All right, so now we'll get oh wait, no, we do want this to be an integer. Yeah, because that way we can do get block y, and then once that's exactly 1 over, we can do it. Parkour client stuff? What do you mean? Oh, I forgot to turn on the music. There you go. Okay. So now we can have it check if actually this second variable is actually useless. So now we can make it check that it's exactly one block above where you started before it lets you double jump again. So that I will detect as an OR statement. So it either needs to be up from the top. Oh, yeah, I'm aware. That bug has been, everyone's been aware of that for a while now. It's in the bugs and features chat. I'm not going to worry about that until, like, release. Or just when I start bug squashing. But that's a later thing. So in here... Oh yeah, that's right. I got rid of the run delay. So I'm just gonna get rid of that right there. As well as this. Okay, perfect. Now, what we can do is in here, we'll make a brand new if statement. Use assert what? This? That doesn't crash the game. And no, Mega B. So it's not gonna just be at the apex of your jump. What it will allow. Actually, you know what? Now that I think about it, maybe this should be a double. And then this should just be .get_y. So now we can detect if it's close to your apex. And it's going to be either you're close to your apex or you've started falling. If I just made it or you started falling, then it takes way too long for you to be able to jump. So I guess using the double gives me more power over where we can decide to let the player jump again. So anyway, back to this if statement here. So, oh wait, no, not back to that yet. So this is going to go, what did I name that? Start Y. Why doesn't it like that? Oh. Okay, looks like we'll have to go double jump enchantment dot start Y equals. Okay, that really doesn't like that, huh? What did I just do? Okay. What are you talking about? 0.smt. Oh, and the IP is in the IP chat. I'd recommend reading the FAQ. This is Forge 1.20.1. Of course it's Java. Okay, so let's see. I guess it doesn't like that for some reason, but, oh, there we go. Wait, so do I even need this part? No, I don't. Oh. Yeah, so I was trying to do something like that with, like, a timer I made, but turns out the way I coded it just, like, made it, like, really laggy. So I was just using a while loop and a variable that counted itself down. It would, like, freeze your game for, like, half a second and then be back to normal. So I think that is obviously not the way to do it. Channels and roles is like a little thing you can select up at the very top of the Discord server. It's right here. This is where you'll find it. Okay, so here we go. Where was I? So now that we have the start Y declared right here every time the player jumps from the ground, we can then check if start Y is greater than greater than or equal to oh wait, no, we shouldn't do it like that. We should do it like if the player's current Y level is greater than or equal to start Y plus 0.8. Or if the player instance is if their falling distance is greater than 0. That should be good right there. This suspicious indentation. Yeah, so I can fix that just by doing that. Okay. I think this should be good. You don't have Discord. Yeah, I would recommend you get that. How did I get Terraforged? So turns out when I made that first video where I said I was using Terraforged, that was at a time when it was still available to the public. It's not available to the public anymore. You could get it through their Discord at that time, but now I have it in my mod pack, and we're not really supposed to have it. And you know, Mega B, those are some wise words right there. I agree with you a lot. Everyone, listen to Mega B, please. You personally compiled it from the GitHub. That would be another way you could do that. Yeah. Takes a lot more work though. That's annoying. I tried to do that with Clockwork once while I was trying to get early access to that. Oh wait, no. No, it wasn't Clockwork, it was Create. Clockwork, I don't think we have access to the GitHub. Alright, so I think all we need to do is test this now. YouTube propaganda indeed. I actually love all forms of propaganda. I think propaganda is pretty nifty. Illegal Terraforged copying confirmed indeed. Yeah, no, we're not supposed to have that. Not at all. They actually... It was from, like, a million videos like mine that went, like, well, probably ones that were more popular than mine. But, like, a lot of them that went, you can get Terraforged from their Discord server, and they went, oh my god, guys, this isn't done. Shut up. And then they removed it from public access. Uh-oh. I see red right here. Okay. I think I know how to fix this. Let's just get rid of that. I mean, yeah, it is. I mean, like, I feel that completely, because I get, like, people joining the server every day going, how do I join? Why aren't there oars? And I'm just dying inside every time. Okay, so I think that fixed it. Let's see if the double jump works. All right, here we go. I don't think that worked. Okay. Well, let's make that really generous right there. And actually, something isn't working at all. If player has enchantment and if player in the air and in a small delay, so player doesn't waste double jump. If player presses jump in the air, jump. What do you mean, Hedgehog? So there's two situations that are completely separate when you might want to double jump, and I have to detect them completely different. Because you can't really... If you're falling and you want to double jump, you don't have the luxury to detect if you jumped before. So what you have to do is detect if you jumped first, right here, or if you were falling. And which is pretty much what I'm trying to do right here. And the delay that I tried to add, just give it this many milliseconds, it kind of just froze your game for a quick second. Why velocity? Well, why velocity could work. And yeah, maybe if it was negative, you'd want to double jump. Or at 0. That's actually... I like that idea. Let's try that. Get dot... What was it? Motion... Where is it? Oh, it's get delta movement. Get delta movement dot y is less than or equal to 0. Oh, -0. Whoops. That might work. What about you install FTB and check their code to double jump? I was actually looking at a different double jump mod for their code, and it seemed to be working pretty well. I don't know if FTB... I don't know enough about FTB, and it's kind of a huge mod for me to really look at their code for. It's too much to, look at. Okay, single player, new world. Let's see the double jump. I don't think it worked. Okay, well, we can try that again. You can also check if a player's double jump by using a counter variable or a boolean. What kind of boolean? Let's see. The movement. We already detect that. You don't need a boolean for that. It's just... It is literally just right here. If the player is not on the ground and the jump key is down. And then it also has a couple of extra parts, like is the player in water, and is the player riding something. And this can double jump variable I added just to make sure that you don't double jump multiple times in the air. So that part's already in there. Right now, I'm just trying to add like a period where you can't double jump from your initial jump because you don't want to double jump while you're going up. TXF. I'm already looking at a double jump mod. I don't need an example. Alright, so how about instead we just make it that the delta movement.y is not greater than 0. What? I'm applying it to the operation. Oh, I had to put them in parentheses. Okay. Alright, so this might work. What do you mean to simulate a jump? Alright, so I think delta y doesn't behave the way we think it does. Let's go ahead and print it. Yeah, like MegaBee said. System.out.print line yes. Oh, so you're saying like it would cancel out the jump and then make it do the double jump? I think I would rather like allow the player to get the maximum amount of height out of their what the Why isn't that printing? That's so strange. I am making a mod that revamps the enchantment system. So right now I am adding a double jump. Of course it did. I love it when it does that. Alright, every time it's there, it should be printing its delta movement y all the time. No y velocity. Dude. Yeah, for some reason it's not printing that. Maybe it's not something I thought... Why? Why? Okay, so I guess let's just... There. I never understand why it does that. It's so confusing to me. I mean, you could just write out the idea for an if statement you have, but I bet you I've already tried it. What? Why is it always that value? What the heck? That's really strange. I can't, or else it crashes it. Huh. What is this? Oh. There we go. And then, here, now I can print the, delta movement while in the air. Yes, I will add these mods to the public. Dude, if Minecraft doesn't have gravity, that makes this really difficult. I'm sure it does. It must. Okay, somehow it's always negative. Okay. Yeah, it's not always negative. It's exactly what we should be expecting. And when you fall, it's negative. Yeah, that's actually, are you in the Discord server, Giddle dude? It's, that was one of the enchantments that was suggested, actually. Okay, so actually, we can look at some of these numbers and see, like, when it should be, done. So, if it's greater than zero... If it's not greater than 0, this should run every time. What? Well, let's see what happens if I make it run when it is greater than 0. Yeah, no, Giddle dude, I recommend it. You can see all of the suggestions and potential enchantments in there that we can have. Oh, you code Bedrock? Well, how would that be cringe? You can do whatever we want. We don't care. I mean, you can, do you play Java ever? Wait, I'm starting to think I'm missing something. Do I ever set can double jump to true? Yeah. That was why. I never set can double jump to true. It was in the timer function. So the Delta movement was working the exact same the whole time. Dude, then those people are freaking crazy. You do what you want, dude. Nothing wrong with coding Bedrock mods, especially if it like gets you money. Like, I don't really know how much the Minecraft marketplace pays, but like if it gets you cash, then who cares? So yes, the double jump doesn't always immediately trigger, but sometimes it does. Like if you hold the space bar down for like a millisecond longer than you're supposed to, it just makes you instantly double jump. And understandably, that's really annoying. So I'm trying to fix that. So now we can just set this to less than or equal to 0, and it should work exactly as expected. Oh, well, that's actually really cool. Like, I won't lie. The coding is tough. I think any artist of any sort is based in some mannerism, as long as they're not cringe about it. But, okay. Yeah! That's what I'm looking for. Yeah! Okay, now I can spam the button and it doesn't just send me up in the air immediately. It actually does it at a good time. Oh, that is a perfect feel and double jump right there. Beautiful. Dude, you should have seen the whole process of getting this thing to work. I was struggling just to get the space bar to be detected. It is safe to say I am not the most experienced modder ever. Thank you. I'm so proud of it. Oh, wait. You want to see the best part, though? You know how this is a double jump enchantment? This is going to be the part that Megabeast said is going to be the hardest part. And I hope it's a lot simpler than Megabeast says. If it's not, we might have problems. So, on me right now is the double jump enchantment, right? This is what lets me double jump. It's the boots. If I take it off though, I'm not wearing it. I can still double jump. So, in order to actually make the double jump perfect, I need to figure out how to detect if the player is wearing the enchanted boots. Well, obviously, it's the if the player has boots, but can you tell me the function that tells me what is in the player's inventory? Let alone what the NBT tag is. Yeah, that's the hard part. It's obviously an if statement. And what do you mean, what if it worked for Elytras too? Like as like an alternative to rocket boosting? Let's see. Yeah, so I actually, I hate rocket boosting a lot. I think it ruins the value of travel. So, I don't think I would include it on the, Elytra. But I think you would obviously be able to use it with the Elytra either way. I mean, you would only be able to use it once in the air. So if you had your Elytra on you, it would, boost you up in the air and then you can fly. But obviously not very far. It doesn't send you that high up. I mean, yeah, maybe it does do that naturally. I just don't know. We'd have to test it. Right now, the most important thing though is detecting what's in the inventory. So let's just check out what's in p.player. Surely there must be something in here that checks for the inventory. But actually, oh, that might be a lot simpler than I thought. Get inventory dot armor dot get dot whoa. Megabee, it looks like this is shaping out to be really simple. Wait, this actually wants to... Okay. Boots is probably 4. I don't know what happens if I type in boots. Oh, armor. Okay, so it wants an integer. Crazy. Okay, so 4. That's probably boots. Oh, boots is 0? Oh, okay. Thank you. I'm glad you knew that. And then enchant, forget how I registered those. I think it was in here, and then it was, yeah, double jump. And then I think I can just copy that, because surely that's what it's supposed to be, right? Okay, so I don't... How do I detect the enchantment? Minecraft dot enchant, no. What about enchantment? No, maybe it's in the capital. Oh, enchantment dot by ID. And then is that double jump? An integer? I don't know what integer that's hooked up to. What do you mean dot enchant functions? Like, oh, this? Yeah, I'm trying to find how to find that pretty much. Maybe it's just if I do ICV dot maybe it's the lowercase one. No. ICV dot enchantment? No. Dot mod ID dot and no enchant no. Okay, maybe mod enchantments dot double jump. Did that work? Okay, so obviously that's... Huh. Where do we find this? Okay, maybe it's somewhere in here. Game effects, block entities, networking items, blocks, resource, data generation. Surely there's a search bar. Okay. Enchantment. How are enchantments referenced in code? Minecraft Forge 1.20.1. I don't think it works like that, not in code. I know it does for, ICV double jump. I don't think that worked, did it? Yeah, that definitely didn't work. Item stack, boot stack equals player.getInventory.getArmor0. Bear enchantment.helper. What? Items will definitely be limited to only one enchantment. Well, we only need to check for the one enchantment, so it's not like we need to check from a list. So this obviously won't be a problem. What is this gonna say? It might be null. Yeah, no. Dot armor dot get 0 dot enchant. ICV dot. Double jump enchantment dot double jump. Actually, let's just see if we can reference Minecraft dot enchant no enchant no enchant no enchantment dot maybe it would, yeah. That might work. Surely those don't make sense. Yeah, so dot by ID, and then it would be, it should be double jump right there. But doing that doesn't help. It needs an integer. Hedgehog, I don't think that's how it works. Well, I hope you're having a fun time doing your dishes. Dishes suck. I actually need to do those, or else the missus will yell at me. It doesn't like that. Yeah, I mean, I understand the whole if statement idea, but like, we're still trying to figure out how to reference my enchantment. We could, I don't even know if you can turn it into a string like Megabeast said, but like, I don't know, we'll figure it out. Well, surely the enchantment is referenced in, or enchantments are referenced in other parts of my code, so... Let's see, yeah, I don't think that's gonna tell me anything. Yeah, I know. Let's see. Actually, let's go back into that enchantment class, and maybe we can, whoops. Maybe we can look for ID. The description ID for the enchantments. Only, no. Okay, so it looks like we have something right here. IID, PID. So I think if I go back into my double jump enchantment back here, I can override that method, right? By ID or something. By, okay. Back into the enchantment. Let's just copy this. Wait, we need this. You know, do override, do we? Well, let's see if that works, I guess. I don't even know what that's supposed to do. Yeah, I was trying to check normal Minecraft enchantments, but I couldn't figure out how to reference those either. So... I know in this file is where I register them. Then I do enchantments.register, but... I think I figured it out. First we want to get rid of that. And then go back in here. I think we can just... Yeah, that's not working. Okay, thank you, Mega D. Okay, he'll DM me. That works for me. I think I just found it. Boo. Alright, let's see. Replace double jump enchantment with whatever you called the enchant. Has double jump will... I'm so confused. Okay, so... Local player equals Minecraft, yep. Item stack, boot stack equals player.getInventory.getArmor 0. Variable enchant equals enchantment helper dot get enchantments boot stack. Wait, so I can do it. Okay. And then boot stack. I don't think it likes that. Oh. Okay, so you get the item stack corresponding to the boots, then get the enchantments on the item stack for the boots, and turn those into a string. Then finally, check if the string contains the name of your enchantment. Okay, so I think I can do this with like one simple line of all those functions you described, but like, let's start the if statement. So if, and then there. All right. Oh, that's capitalized. It's not supposed to be capitalized. If okay. So every time it runs this, we need to make it get so enchantment helper dot get enchantment ID player dot armor. Wait, what was it? Armor. Oh wait, get inventory first. Inventory dot armor dot get 0. Good word. Oh. Maybe it's get armor 0. Oh, I didn't like that. Okay, what is it looking for? Okay, so it expects one argument, right? Which should be 0. Okay, well, I guess we'll just set the variable like you have. So item stack boot stack equals pplayer dot get actually I can just copy this. But if that doesn't work there, it sounds like it would just... Yeah, it says it can't resolve the method. If we get the enchantments done, if we fix the boot enchantment swiftly, we might move on to fix it, or make another enchantment. You're right, I would need it for every enchantment. Just player. P-player is the player, though. Guess. Yeah, it doesn't like that. Yeah, I already set that up here. Yeah, it's P-player. So it looks like it doesn't like the boot stack. Let's try P. Whoa. P player dot enchantment armor. What if I make that 0? Okay, so it doesn't want an argument. So dot 0. No. So what does this not like? Okay, so I say we print this, and then maybe we can figure out what it is. What's the fatal error here? Oh, if true. Yeah, okay, perfect. All right, so we should be able to see what the enchantment ID is now. Oh, just change get enchantment ID to get enchantments. To boot stack. Oh. Why doesn't it like that? Oh, that's because I did not put it in the right spot. Boot stack. And then, okay, yeah. Okay, never mind. Maybe it does like it. Let's just see what it prints, though, because it might be way easier if I could just know what the ID for my, enchantment is. That's a good ID. Alright. Alright, now back to your code. Variable enchant equals... Okay, so if... Air enchants equals that. Okay, so if enchants... Why doesn't that work? Oh, that's nice. I don't think I can make it public in here, can I? Yeah. So maybe I just put that, like, there. And probably get rid of that part. Okay, so if enchants dot to string, and then dot contains double jump. There. And then we'll also include a system.out.println enchants. Okay, maybe that'll work. Guess we'll find out. That didn't like it. Okay, so... maybe it just can't print that. Maybe we just do toString. I know. It's probably my favorite ID. All right. I think I think something happened that wasn't supposed to. Well, let's see. What happens if I just get rid of that line? Alright, fingers crossed that we don't crash the second I hit the spacebar. Except I probably will. Of course I do. Alright. Well, something's wrong here. Well, let's see. Yeah. Something's wrong with one of these two things. Probably. Let's see what happens if I get rid of this. Change this back to true. And change this to boot stack. All right, let's see. I think it was a problem with the boot stack. That would be my guess. In theory, though, we could be able to simplify this like a lot more just by doing that. However, there is a problem somehow. Enchantment helper.get enchantments. Player.get inventory.get armor in the 0 slot. Well, this isn't gonna work, but let's try it anyway, just in case. Oh, that was the wrong button. All right. Yeah. Dang. All right, well, let's see. Variable enchants. Okay, close. Enchantment helper dot get enchantments. Player dot get inventory dot. Well, let's just try dot get dot get that's interesting. This will take an item stack. I mean, yeah, it kind of tells me what's wrong. Okay, so let's... I do that. Okay, so, variable boot stack equals player dot get, yeah, blah 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 blah. Okay, and then this I should be able to make boot stack. Okay, let's see if that crashes my game. Oh. Well, that's a little annoying. So what does it want? It wants an item stack dot. Okay, so looks like it has to be dot iterator. And then can I put boot stack in here? What does that do? I don't know what that does. Oh man. Okay, so we're obviously not gonna use dot get armor slots. Dot get inventory dot armor dot get 0. All right, we'll see if that works. Really? It works fine for you? What the heck? As to be expected. Well, let's see. What does it tell me? Oh, yeah, no, I'm not gonna bother with that. Let's see. This is very annoying. What on earth could I do here? What you posted in DMs should work. Okay, so we have the player, we have the item stack. Let's just copy the whole thing. There. Enchants. There. Alright. And then what is this? Yeah, we know player's not gonna be null. Okay. Let's see. Moment of truth. Well, that's a bit strange. It worked. But why on earth does it register it as the Impaling enchantment? What? What on earth? That's so weird. Well, I mean, I know what it is, so I guess I don't know why it registers in the code like that. No, none of the enchantments will have levels. Okay, so we can just get rid of that. And then we'll go enchants dot contains there. That should, in theory, work. Yeah, I think I will check the enchantment registry. I have no idea why it checks it like that. Really? The last numbers might be what distinguishes it from the double jump enchantment. We're still making the double jump enchantment. We're just detecting if the armor's on. Oh, maybe it detects what player it is. Yeah. Okay, so I'll remove the numbers at the end. Definitely need to check that enchantment registry. It's probably in mod enchantments. No, 'cause it's registering as this. That's so weird. You know what? If it works, it works. I don't know why it's like that, but it sure is. And something tells me that every single enchantment I make after this is also going to be impaling. Hey! Awesome. Okay, so that does work. I'm sure it does. Yeah, it still works. I guess what we can do is just print this out every time. Dot get Is it selected, the one you're holding? Main hand? Oh, you know what? We'll just do offhand. Item stack, boot stack. Okay, what does it mean? Oh, okay. Player dot main, get main hand item. Okay. Now this will do this every time we attack. So let's find out what it thinks that enchantment is. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's the exact same thing. Okay. Yeah, this will definitely be an issue. So I guess what we need to look at is where we register this. Somewhere it says impaling enchantment. Oh! That's why. Yes, I did register double jump as impaling. Okay, so why is it unhappy with this? There. I think that's fixed. Whoops. Wait, I what? It's public right there. What do you mean? Oh, I guess it crashed. Oh. Let's just do that. net.minecraft.client.player.localplayer.get delta movement. Hey. Somewhere I didn't like that, but maybe it just fixes itself. Well, it's because I made it twice. Look, up here. It's the same thing. Wait. Well, yeah, that's definitely not supposed to be there. Okay. net.minecraft.client.player.localplayer.get delta movement. Because net.ignio.icp enchantment. Okay. Let's try adding this in there, and then maybe that fixes it. I don't think that's gonna fix it. It might, though. Go back where? Did you see it? Okay. Why is that red? Sprite. Wait. Oh, it did. So, sure, let's just get rid of that. And then make this public. Unrelated problem. Okay, now I'm really confused. But how is this the problem now? More actions. Let's get rid of all of these. Is it like that now? No. Expected 5 arguments, but found 2. Okay. Here's what we'll do. Put that there. And then we'll go in here, copy all of this. What do you mean equipment slot? I was just gonna do this and then wow, it really doesn't like that, huh? Well, what on earth? See, I don't actually ever use those motion variables, is what I was saying, though. Where do I do that? You actually registered. It doesn't have one in the what do you mean? What do you mean by that? This should work. It just thinks that the player is null. I guess where does it reference the player? Oh, I don't need that whole thing. That's all useless. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I get rid of that. So that's just setting it to that. This will actually use this. Let's also put in here that p.player equals null. What? That's so confusing. What does it mean operator and cannot be applied to the Boolean? What? Sure, whatever. If p.player equals null. Okay, what's the problem? Oh. Oh, I did a silly. There we go. This might work. I'm really Are you fucking kidding me? net.minecraft.client.player.localplayer.delta move. Okay. Get delta movement. Because net.igneout.icv.enchantment double dump enchantment keep player is null, but it's not. It won't run that code. It only runs that code if the player's not null. I guess we can put it in here. There. Let's try that, I guess. I found it. I found the reason. And we don't need that. We should also probably keep that. There. I spent way too long trying to fix that. That was so stupid. Okay. This should work. It should also actually say the correct enchantment. So this will say impaling. Yep. And that'll say double jump. Perfect. Look at that. I should probably test if / summon wither. Okay, good. Well, would you look at that? So, we'll add Computer Craft to the mod pack next update, but we're not super sure that it's going to be fully implemented yet, just because we need to test it first. For all I know, it could add code the, I don't even know. Something really bad. And then it breaks the server, and that could be really bad. So it will be tested though. That I can say for certain. I mean, probably not a nuke. I don't think Computer Craft could add a nuke. But maybe it can add the Scrimblow virus or something. And we don't want the Scrimblow virus. I really like this. I won't lie. Hey, dude, if you want to make an ICBM, I actually have a bunch of engineers that are working on one right now. If you want to join the Serpent's Conclave, you can work on an ICBM with us. Sound neat? Huh? And turtles probably won't be allowed. And yes, we did indeed do it. I'm pretty excited about it, I won't lie. Woo. I love this. Wait, KCG, whatever you want me to call you. I don't even know. Are you in like the library or something already? Or like what? Are you in a faction? KC Games, okay. Oh, you're a wandering librarian already? Dang. I could use another engineer. We've got so much cool stuff going on. All right. Well, I am really happy about that. Let's go ahead. Let's add a sound. Let's go ahead and, yeah, import that class. And then there is no Leap registry, so what we'll do is Minecraft dot sounds? No. Dot well, let's see. I think on Forge we have a way to access all of the sounds, so game effects, sounds. Okay. Sound events, something that triggers the sound effects. Examples include Minecraft, blah blah blah. Sound category and sound files. Sounds.json. So that's how you register one. Playing sounds. Okay. Vanilla has a lot of methods for playing sounds, and it's unclear which to use at times. Note that each takes a sound event, the ones registered above. Additionally, the terms server behavior and client behavior refer to the respective logical side. So it looks like it's play sound, and then local sound if I want it to just be the client. Granted, I think I kind of want everyone to hear it, so we'll do play sound. Okay, that's not working. Okay, so each needs a sound event first. So I guess sound event dot you know what, let's just type in sound and see what options we have. Okay, capital. Yes. Sound dot oh, I don't know what to do right there. Sound event dot sound source event dot okay. Okay, let's try play sound event dot results. Nope, that did the opposite of what I thought. Mega B, you seem to figure this out. Well, what do you think? Maybe command? The sound source is already here at the player. Let's try play sound command. Register. Play, no. Play, sound. I don't think it wants that. It wants a command dispatcher. So technically, all enchantments will, in fact, be treasure enchantments, but they won't be like super rare, like mending and vanilla. Mending will actually be completely removed. You'll find these enchantments and effectively unlock them by going into dungeons. So, and then once you have an enchanted book of this new enchanted... Once you have the enchanted book of this new enchant, you can now place it in a chiseled bookshelf around your enchantment table as a library of the enchantments you collected for you to then enchant your items with. Instead of the boring chance-based vanilla system, because that sucks. Okay, back to the forge. See, place... Oh. Wait a minute. What is going here? Candidates for method call. keyplayer.level.playSound. Null. Keyplayer.block position. Oh, it's asking what sound to play. Had what ever been talked about before? The chiseled bookshelf thing? Because if so, yes, I have talked about it. Okay, so now I just need to know how to reference the song, or the sound. Alright. Type dot file dot no dot get by maybe sound event dot no dot get by name, and then place sand sound name Minecraft. Sand. Block.sand.place. Bruh. Okay, block dot that one, sure. Dot sound, no. Sand, no. Block. Name. Sand. No. Sand. By name or by ID could work. Maybe I should be using by ID. By. Oh. And then. What? Well, what's the problem now? Cannot resolve method. Play sound. Okay, null. Block position. Type. Sound source. What? Okay, let's look at the other mod, I guess. In their code. It's not that one. Is it this one? No. Leap entity, no. Was it player? Yeah, it was. Okay, so in here they're looking for the registry of the leap sound, which they obviously made themselves. So maybe what we're looking for is Minecraft? No. Sound. Wait. No. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, but how do I pick the sound? That's the problem. I don't know how to reference the sound. Something, blah, blah, blah. Minecraft block, anvil.hit. Okay, I don't know how to get that though. Oh. How on earth? Let's see. Let's go with Minecraft Forge. See if that helps. I don't think so. Sound, no. Capital sound. Maybe sound type? Dot sound dot. Okay. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Method call. I don't think that's supposed to be it. Without propellers, I don't think so. Let's see. Hey! I think we got it! Oh! What? Okay, I guess we'll delete that. You have to use a propeller moving forward still if you're gonna have that strategy. Okay, so... it's not exactly playing the sound. Which... Let's just make that so much louder. See if that makes it so that we can hear it. I'll pause the music too. Alright. Yeah, balloons will be included eventually though, so... What do you mean turn on subtitles? Uh-oh. Strange. Oh! That's a good point. Music and sounds. Allow subtitles on. Okay. Yeah, there's not. Interesting. See if that fixes it. Oh, you're trying to make a sub. Yeah, those will be implemented eventually. Oh. Yeah, that worked. Now it plays, but it's only on the client. And if I make that null, obviously we won't hear it anymore, so... Huh. Interesting. I will say, that is a nice little sound. Alright, now let's see if we can add some particles, and then that'll probably be it. You know what? You'd probably find out better in here. Particles. Let's see. Okay. Particle type is registry object defining what particular type is and provides an available reference to the specific particle on both sides. As such, every particle type must be registered. Okay, so I want to know about spawning a particle, not creating one. So... particles can be spawned from either level instance, however, each side has a specific way to spawn a particle. If on the client level, hashtag add particle can be called to spawn a particle, or hashtag add always visible hashtag add always visible particle can be called to spawn a particle that is visible from any distance. If on the server level, hashtag send particles can be called to send a packet to the client to spawn the particle. Calling the two client level methods on the server will result in nothing. So let's see, we can do just hashtag send particles. Okay. What if I go in here? Okay. So this is obviously not how you do it. I don't know why it's listed like that. Let's just copy and paste this. I'm not really sure what it does, but I'm pretty sure it's the particles. The player dot Minecraft dot get instance dot player. Well, that's a bit strange. Dot level. What? Okay. Looks like I just have to add parentheses after every time it references level. Can I just hit Shift F6? Yes, I can. Alright, let's see if that worked. Good evening, Mr. Yeetman. Alright, so either this will crash when I try to double jump, or it'll make a nice particle effect. We'll find out. It may also do nothing. It looks like it did nothing. So let's go with particle types dot let's go with cret. My evening is amazing. Absolutely fantastic, even. What do you mean for the effect to wear off? It's an enchantment. Alright, let's see. Oh, you mean my resistance. Effect. Clear. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's, it just looks like it's not working. looks like it also wants okay. It also wants particle count and speed. P player dot get y and P player dot get c, and let's say 10 particles. What? 0.1, 0.1. And then 1 for the speed. There. Let's see if that works. Is it? Oh. That's not working. What do you mean, Peter Griffin? Alright, so maybe let's make it so there's no offset, and then speed is 0. Oh, it said it in the yellow text. I didn't see that. Peter Griffin in Minecraft Real. So this is annoying. So maybe it looks like whatever poof is, yeah, it looks like an actual valid particle. So we'll just do that, and then what's the other? Maybe add particle? And then player dot get y, and then p player dot get z, and then 0, 0, 0. All right, we'll see if this one works. I don't think it does. It's unfortunate. Well, okay, let's see if that works. All right. Okay, maybe I just have like particles off. That's frustrating. Okay. This is a little frustrating. I don't know why it's not working. Well, let's see what happens if I do P player. Okay, T. So T dot sure, let's call it that. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Yeah, the other ones, those will probably be at a better time for you. Thank you so much. Good night, man. Why isn't that doing anything? How frustrating. What if... What if that works? Maybe. I could set the Y offset to be a little lower. Granted, it should be at their feet. I don't think it would be anywhere else. It is possible it is spawning, like, maybe in their eyes. Yeah, I don't think it is. Yeah, maybe it's just how long the particles last. So let's do that. And then change all this back to 0, 0, and whoa. 0. Yeah, I don't know how big the particles are. I'm fairly confident they're pretty big. But I suppose we'll find out. Yeah. I don't think that's working either. I think your faction's pretty good. You just need one more person to join it is all. I wish you luck building a fucking robot dragon. That is not going to be easy. Well, same here. I'm just saying, if you want engineers, mine is the way to go. We got ICBMs, we got armored tanks, we have all the cool war shit. So Only because I'm good at what I do. Oh, no, it's not. I still have to go in there and pitch my faction and try and convince people to go in there. I try just as hard as all of you do to get people in my faction. Yeah, the library is allied with us. Huh. Zinth, I love how you're advertising to people who are already in a faction. Huh. Gotta assimilate. Man, I will say, I'm definitely really loving this. Oh, cat on stream, can you hear it? Say hi, Mr. Milo. I don't think Mr. Milo's gonna say hi. Oh yes, meow indeed. I don't think Mr. Milo's kind of just sitting on my lap. I don't think he's in a talking mood. I think he'll just sit here. No, it's Milo from Legends of Korra. So Meelo. The missus named him. Milo indeed. I'll show you a picture. I don't think I have any on me right now though. Actually, I'm pretty sure there's one in the Discord chat. Let me see. This is Mr. Milo. He's saying hi today. Anyway. Man, I don't know why I can't get these freaking particles to show up. What if I get rid of the SL dot part? Okay, that's frustrating. 1.16, but this is probably the best I got. the particle type are sent. My code to add particle function, assuming such practice. Okay, maybe I can do something similar. Okay. So maybe I can do that with this. Okay. There. Maybe that'll work. Milo also doesn't shut up. I have to tell him to get a job. He's unemployed. And all he does is eat food and sleep all day. Yeah, I don't think that worked. Poorly. Yeah, let's try that. All I want is the particles. I can just get the particles, I'd be happy. Okay, guess that's not working. So that's not working either. Alright, I think we're gonna have to call it a day. I can't figure out how to get those stupid particles to work, but you know what? I'm really happy with the progress. I hope y'all have a great night. I think Milo wishes you one too. And I will see you all later. Are ICBM computer yet? No. We haven't added it yet. Anyway, I'll see y'all later. Bye.